Peace in the Valley, a Psalm chapter 23 reflection. Find peace in God's presence today. Have you ever felt like life is pressing in from every side? Stress at work, worries at home, or battles that no one else can see? Maybe the struggle is so real, like putting the food on the table is becoming a burden for you. Seeing your family's needs grow more than your paycheck. What about you? You are being reminded that money does not grow on trees, so you are losing faith in your ability to see yourself debt-free. I know the feeling, so I would like to help your faith in God to arise. Psalm 23 is more than just words on a page. It's a reminder that you are guided, protected, and loved by God Himself. Today, let's take a few moments to slow down and let these words come alive in our hearts. Relax and reflect on peaceful thoughts as we say it together. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures, He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul, He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Psalm chapter 23 is God's promise that no matter where you are, on the mountaintop or in the darkest valley, He is walking right beside you. His presence brings peace when everything feels uncertain, strength when you're weary, and hope when life feels empty. So today, remember, you're never abandoned, never overlooked. So today, remember, you're never overlooked. So today, remember, you're never abandoned, never over. Write a comment below, lead me, Lord. I know this message encouraged you. Don't keep it to yourself. If we can help someone from making a bad decision about their life, then we would have been God's hands on the earth. Please share it with a friend who needs peace right now, and subscribe to The Determined Path for more faith-filled encouragement. Subscribe to The Determined Path for more faith-filled encouragement. So, together, we will walk this journey of hope, hand in hand with the shepherd who never leaves us. God loves you. Have a blessed and shepherd-led week. Keep the faith, my friend. God bless.